Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing great. So dear viewers, today I am back with another amazing and beautiful collection ideas about Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are very attractive and unique. Dear viewers, today in my video you can see beautiful unique ideas about Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are unique and beautiful. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decor. Keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos. Don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a nice day.